Chirotherapy. Chirotherapy is one of the physiotherapy, physical therapy, which should be done by a trained, well-trained chirotherapist. The chirotherapy is nothing but the releasing certain knots in the joints, or the muscles, or the tendons, or the ligaments, or in the certain parts of your body. Chirotherapy is nothing but the manipulation by a chirotherapist of a human body who is suffering from various problems like headache, joint pains, knee pains, leg pains, and then back pains, neck pains, and various other body pains, or stiffness of the body pain, or laziness in the body pain, or feels lethargic, the person who feels and suffers from various problems. Chirotherapy is nothing but wherever there is a stiffened joints, wherever there is a spasm in the muscles, wherever there is a ligament spasm, that can be relieved by certain manipulations like abnormal extensive manipulation of the joint or the muscles in such a way that the stiffness can be relieved by a click sound of that part of the muscle or the ligament or the joint. So, chirotherapy is a physiotherapeutic treatment. It is nothing but a manipulation therapy where there is no medicinal involvement in chirotherapy unless until certain chirotherapists will give medicines to relieve the pain. So, chirotherapy is very practically used in ancient days or Shushruta and certain Chinese modalities of treatment where they do lot of manipulations being considered to be a chirotherapy. A person who is continuously working days together, the feeling of letharginess, feeling of fatigueness, feeling of spasm, a feeling of tightness will get good relief by chirotherapy. That will relieve the spasm or knots in the joints or in the muscle tendons where he gets some amount of relief temporarily so that the person feels better than before. The chirotherapy is not the permanent treatment to a human body. Oftenly, a family member should practice in such way to take care of their family members so that the chirotherapy can be practically managed by trained people. Chirotherapy is definitely helps certain people. It is like a massaging therapy, it is like a physical therapy, hence the chirotherapy definitely help the people in a different modalities of line of treatment, and when post-operative cases needs to do a physiotherapy, when there is a strong stiffness in the joint, the chirotherapy might help them to get relief from the fatigueness, relief from the stiffness, relief from the spasm of the muscle, and then joint blocks. Hence, the chirotherapy is a definitely modality of the treatment to support your line of rehabilitation treatment. Thank you.